quick video showing how to install Visual Studio Code and a bit of a chat about extensions, what that means. So here we've gone to the website, the IST website, and it tells you where to download Visual Studio Code, So you download the file, eventually you'll run it, just basically accept all the defaults. Everyone should be allowed to install it, Mac, Windows users. It doesn't take too long, it's pretty quick to install. Okay, so once you've installed it, we're then looking at installing extensions. So you can tell here that I've already run Visual Studio Code and now I'm searching for extensions. You'll notice that I click on the left-hand side there, the 4 little squares. Then I start searching for the various extensions that are listed in the documentation. I recommend you do the same. We're really after a live server, live preview, HTML, tag wrap, and HTML, CSS support. And that's it, really. So just go through and grab those, search for them, and then click on the install button one by one. And you should have Visual Studio Code more or less set up for developing HTML and CSS and basically websites. I'll leave you just watch the end of the video.